So this class focuses on the career aspect and the fact that we kind of do a little bit of everything in the construction field, where we do electrical, plumbing, woodworking, welding, focusing on the key soft skill stuff, public speaking, being able to communicate, write down, look at blueprints, take what's on a piece of paper and put it into the real world aspect, whether they're building it or putting pieces together. Measurement is a key thing. I think we take that for granted, and then when we get into especially the freshman class, how long it takes for measurements and being able to read a ruler is very important. This class kind of gets you thinking outside the box because it's very much hands-on. So you have to be able to take a set of blueprints and go out into the shop and be able to implement that in whatever facet of the projects that we're doing.
So this class mainly focuses on welding. So right now we're doing SMAW. Most people in the back right now, they're doing flex core welding. But if you start off with FATE, you do woodworking, and then you do a little bit of welding, you do some motor work. So you do everything in FATE, and then intermediate focuses on wood and then just welding, and then this class is mainly just welding. So you do lots of different kinds.
It's amazing. It really leaves like any student can get set up for right out of high school because of the facilities we have, and the teachers we have are all amazing. I chose this class to get better at welding and learn a lot of new skills that I could use in the future.
My freshman year, I was the only girl in the class. In FATE, you do like a little CO2 car racing thing, and I beat all the guys, so just go for it.